In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to see previous projects in Lovable AI. By the end, you'll know exactly how to get from a blank browser window to a clean list of projects you can browse through with confidence. Start by opening your preferred web browser and heading to a search engine. In the search box, type the word Lovable. Give it a second to load the results. You're looking for the official Lovable site, which is usually listed as lovable.dev. If you see ads or similarly named tools, skip those and choose the official domain so you land in the right place. Clicking the correct result will take you to the Lovable homepage. Once the homepage opens, take a moment to confirm you're in the right spot. The design is clean and modern, and the URL bar should show lovable.dev. From here, you're going to scroll down the page. Don't rush. Move past the Hero section and introductory content until you reach a section that highlights recent or featured projects. This area typically shows a handful of tiles or cards with project names, thumbnails, or brief descriptions. If the page is still loading, give it a moment. Images and previews can take a second to appear. When you see the recent projects, look just below or near that section for a link or button labeled Browse All. This is your gateway to the full collection. Go ahead and click it. That action will open a more comprehensive gallery view where Lovable showcases a broader set of projects, not just the handful featured on the homepage. This is where you can really explore, scan through the entries, note the titles and previews, and get a sense of what's been built. A quick tip: if you're on a smaller screen, you may need to scroll a bit more to find the Browse All button. If you don't see it immediately, slowly move down the page. Site layouts sometimes shift slightly based on device size. Also, if something looks off or images don't load, refresh the page and try again. That usually clears up temporary loading issues. And that's it. You opened a browser, searched for Lovable, clicked into the official site, scrolled to the recent projects section, and used the Browse All option to see more. Keep this flow in mind the next time you want to review what's been built or get inspiration from previous work. Thanks for watching, and I hope this helps you quickly find the projects you're looking for in Lovable AI.